Working on an old Wheelie's Jeep bed. I'm doing a template right now to do a marine plywood base. Then it's going to get, that's the plywood out there. This is the Wheelies. That's the back. It's a buddy of mine. A lot of wiring. And the console, ambrosia maple. It's not finished yet. Then there's I don't know, dashboard, whatever. It'll be the same type of wormy maple, and this will be the material in the bed also. The bed of the truck will be wormy maple. Pretty cool. Just thought I'd show you. Red Eye Patriot, this is going to you. Oh, let me show you the engine. I don't know what it is. I'm not a car guy, bro. I'm a woodworker. But it's a Chevy engine. Not sure. But pretty nice. There's another one over here. It's all finished, but I don't dare take the cover off.